Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to view archived emails. So first of all, you need to open Gmail on your device, and then you need to tap this menu icon in your upper left corner, and then you need to tap all mail. And this section shows you all your emails, including archived ones. If you look closely through the list, you will see that archived emails don't have this inbox word or label next to the email. As you can see, I have here inbox label, and that means that is not archived email. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.